This company was built by Harry Stearns, Castle Stearns to be exact, but everybody knew him by Harry Stearns, an ex-Marine who had the contract with Camp Pendleton. So he started out a typewriter business. When he was ready to retire, I was fortunate enough to find him for this business for sale. So we purchased it from the family-run business as well. We immediately took upon contracts, service contracts, and with school districts, North County, Carlsbad, Oceanside, Vista, Fallbrook. We went everywhere we could get. We did business for Camp Pendleton on typewriters, and that was the most lucrative business we had. We had approximately 2,000 to 3,000 machines on a maintenance contract. My sons worked with me in the service department. I sent them to school. My wife was my secretary, and then we had a bookkeeper to boot on top of it, and then we had a delivery man delivering our equipment that we repaired to various companies. So it was a very efficient business, and then we had calculators repair as well. And it progressed, and then the computer era came about. So you understand, I do it for hobby because I enjoy working on typewriters.